Okay, to power on the machine and load ink by software. We power on the machine. When the machine power on, first the carriage back to home position, and the table must be moved to back set. When the table go to back set, it will automatically stop. Then back to home position, and the cap station moving up and moving down, and then up again to keep weight. And the wet ink checking system is working as before. So this is when after we power on the machine succeed, then we open the control system, AlphaJet control system. And I connect USB cable with the computer. We double click the Focus AlphaJet control software and open the control system. When the control system is running, we can see that the carriage will start to move up and move down, then move up again to lock the printing head for keep weight. And when we open the control system, and we can see if you connect the USB cable with the machine, we can see here visual print connected. That means the print head, that means the print was connected with the computer wear. And also we can see here some icons. And here's for file, for load picture for print. And this for click file for print. And stop print, pause print. And this for another check for some test print. Cleans for clean print head. And flash is for flash on and flash off. When you click on, the visual on here. If you click off again, it will show flash jet off. Flash jet is for here for make the print head flashing for keep clock, anti-clock. When the print head not print, if it print a little bit ink by certain frequency like 16. To flash a little bit ink out at the cap station to prevent the ink dry without printing. And when you click off, the cap station may move up to keep weight. And here is for on, is for moving down, and we click again is for off. The cap station may move up to lock print head. And here is you move the carriage to the left, move the carriage to the right, and the feet is for move the table to front, and move the table to backward. Up down is for if you choose control the AlphaJet by buttons, the signal cable by buttons method. So here is not working. So if you transit the control method by software, so it will be control the table up and down. X home is to move let the carriage back to home position, to right position, and the Y is for move the flatbed to end, and Z is for down maximal. So Z not choose is not useful. It's not useful for AlphaJet. Okay, here so then we go to load ink. So we go to the setting and we find the parameter, and we go to here, choose fill ink, and if the first time to load ink, we choose all of them, and we start. And here head 1 is for white, head 2 is for color print head, head 3 is for varnish print head, and head 4 is not using right now because AlphaJet maximum we put 3 print head. So the option 4 is not working right now. If you choose all heads, so the clean pump will start to load ink for white, color, and varnish 3 print head totally. Okay, then we click all and we click start. So here must pay attention. If you click start, it will not automatically stop unless you click the stop again. So the first time we load ink from the ink damper to print head, normally we click start and waiting for about at 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Then we click stop to stop the blood ink. Here, please remember, must stop by your hand again. Otherwise, the pump will continue start to pump the ink to running out the ink from the ink bottles. So we go to click start and then stop to start to pump the ink from the cap station. And moving up, down, find position and moving up. Then wet, color, varnish, ink pump, keep pumping ink. Pump the ink from the tank, tuber, then go to the ink damper, then go to print head, and then go to cap station, and then go to the pump in and pump back to the waste ink bottle for each colors. We keep pumping about 1 minute if you are the first attempt to load the ink to the machine. Then we go to the software and we click stop. And now the pump is stopping. And waiting for the software back to normal, we need to do a small cleaning after we pump the ink. Please remember, every time after you fill the ink, we need to do the cleaning, normal cleaning for all heads to wipe the ink. So this is the cleaning procedure. First, the pump working, to pump the waste ink. Then moving back to pump the waste ink again. Before pump ink, pump waste ink. Then pump on, pump down, up, the wiper the ink. Then going down for flushing. Then up. So now we're going to check if the ink is going out or not. If the ink is not go out, we need to, maybe the print head is not installed well, or the cap station not get the good position of the print head. So we need to align the print head position and lock the print head again, and then adjust a little bit of the cap station position. Normally, the problem will be coming about from the print head location, screws, the screws to loosen or to tighten. So we need to check if we must be sure all the ink, CMYK, wet, and varnish all are coming to the cap station. Okay, so after we load the ink from the software, the first time then we start to clean the print head. So remember, every time after we load ink from software, we need to do the small cleaning, head cleaning. So we go to the software and we go to clean, and we choose normal and all heads to start cleaning. The cap station moving up, then the pump working to pump the ink out, and waiting for several seconds. The cap station moving down, the pump the waste ink out, and the catch move out, the vapor moving up to vapor the waste ink. And if we can see the wet, varnish coming, and the color ink also coming. And flush a little bit. Then the pump the waste ink out again. And cap station moving down for flashing. And if you click on the flashing, the cap station will be moving down. And if you click off the flashing, then the cap station will moving up for keep weight to protect print head clog. So after we do the cleaning, we can start to do the test print.